Whether it be for health or self-esteem and confidence, we all have reasons to want to burn belly fat, and it is often recommended. However, in amongst all of the questionable diets out there, the fundamentals are often the best way to lose belly fat. In this video, we look at 5 things you need to do to lose belly fat. Number 1. Exercise. The most obvious one, but one that simply cannot be understated: you need to do exercise to lose belly fat and stay healthy. However, some exercises can benefit losing belly fat more than others, such as doing a workout that includes cardiovascular exercise that helps to burn fat, or doing interval training where you do small bursts of intense exercise with periods of rest or lower intensity exercise. Alternatively, do exercises that are a good workout for the core, such as yoga and Pilates, as both are centered around core strength and can be done by almost anyone, regardless of age or physical capabilities. Finding the right combination of exercise that burns calories and also provides resistance training will soon see you benefit from having a flatter tummy. Number 2. Eat food that burns fat. Diet is crucial when trying to slim down, and one of the most effective ways to eat food that helps you lose belly fat is to eat foods that will burn fat. This includes chilies and peppers, which contain vitamin C to help boost your metabolism and help digestion as well as burn fat from the body. Eat more protein and healthy fats, such as those found in beans and nuts, which will help you feel full to help reduce unnecessary snacking, and also helps to build muscle and reduce fat, as long as you eat them in moderation. Also, make sure to intake plenty of fruit and veg, which are loaded with vitamins and nutrients, as well as fiber, and help increase your metabolism. Good options include berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens. Number 3. Avoid unhealthy food. Sticking to diet. Just as there are foods which can be highly beneficial at reducing fat, there are many foods that will increase fat, especially in the belly. These include high levels of carbohydrates, sugars, unhealthy fats, alcohol, and processed foods, especially convenience foods such as ready-made meals. That means try to reduce sweets and chocolates and foods that contain white flour, bread and pasta, as these are some of the worst offenders for increasing your belly. Processed foods are often loaded with preservatives and chemicals that aren't good for your body, so where possible, try to eat organic food using natural ingredients, cooking at home as much as possible. Number 4. Reduce stress. Stress is one of the worst factors to contribute to fat, as when stressed, you create the hormone cortisol, which helps the body mount a stress response. One of the responses can be to gain weight when the hormone is produced in excess, particularly affecting the abdominal region of the body. So learn to manage stress by taking action in your life, to giving time to doing things that help you relax and help you calm down, especially during stressful situations. This can be meditating, practicing mindfulness, and doing breathing exercises, all of which can positively help your body cope with a stressful situation. Number 5. Sleep. Possibly one that's going to be particularly appealing to many watching this. Sleep is actually highly beneficial when trying to lose belly fat. Try to average 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night, as when you sleep, your body is actually still active and doing a number of things that help benefit your mental and physical health. This will help maintain your metabolism and care for the needs of your body, helping to burn fat more effectively and efficiently. To help you do this, try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, helping your body clock to naturally adjust to get the best possible sleep that you can. Are you working to lose belly fat, and if so, for what purpose? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe, as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.